In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to image to Excel Converter online free without any software, step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and press the bell icon. All is right. Let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have an image and you want to image to Excel Converter. So to convert the image to Excel document, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us convert a JPG to Excel document. So click select file and then select the image which you want and click open. And here select the Microsoft Excel document format. And here click convert. And here a few seconds wait image to Excel Converter. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the Excel document. This is how to image to Excel Converter. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.